we have the SoundPeats Q. Good afternoon, guys, and you're watching Type Tech. I'm your host, Nash, and let's get started. So, today on What's in the Box, episode 12, we have the SoundPeats Q, the SoundPeats TruEngine 3SE. This baby cost me 58 SGD, and the original price is about 69 SGD. This is above the budget I have tried so far, but is it better than the SoundPeats TrueAir 2, which I have right here? From the first thing I see, the packaging, it is way bigger. It's like, look at that. Yep, so hopefully there is more stuff inside this thing to justify that $58 price tag. So, what are the specs? As you can see right now, it has 3020 QCC 3020, Bluetooth 5.0, AptX, IPX5 Water resistance, and it can play total of 30 hours with the casing. That is quite interesting. So let's see. You may ask, why though? Why must I spend so much money on this? Well, I can say two things. One, the QCC 3020 and the AptX. Usually around this price point, AptX is a must, because AptX will make the gaming mode unnecessary. But how good is the AptX? We need to see. Because if you see on the leaderboard, just like the previous video I shown, that the Halo GT1 Plus with the QCC 3020 chip, it managed to blast through the competition easily, and I have high expectation for this to do the latency test as well. So, without further ado, let's open this. And if you're wondering what other colors available for these earbuds, there's only one: black. Black. Alright, let's go. Alright. Okay, so the box has been unsealed. As you can see, the packaging here is actually fairly simple, and let's see what it says here. Over here, it says the IPX5 waterproof, ergonomy ear fit, and 30 hours of playtime. Okay, so and nothing else. We should open this if I know how. Wow. This box is actually tight.
2 hours later.
Yeah.
Much later.
My lord, that's so... Okay. This thing don't want to let go.
2,000 years later.
I managed to open. Why was there a adhesive in there? What the hell? As you can see, I don't know why there's a glue on it. I guess to prevent people from stealing this, but whatever. Okay, so this box can be nominated as the most annoying one to open. Alright, so okay, so this is the earbud. Oh my god, everything is tight. Okay, so you have the box that is quite a chunky one. Okay, earbud. Okay, this is quite huge. Damn, this is huge. Okay, now I see why the packaging is big. Alright, so inside here, what it says here, what the okay. It says True Grip Premium Ear Tips is the memory foam type earbuds. So yeah, if you fancy some memory earbuds on your ear, there is one for you, and there is additional earbuds with type C, and you have the True Grip install instruction. So yeah, okay, so first of all, I can notice that this thing is very big. Even the box, look at the hole, is so huge. Okay. Oh, this is cool. Look at that, guys. As you can see there is a dual driver right there. So there is one is for the bass and one is for the vocals. So I have a very high expectation for these earbuds. And yeah, look at that. And there's a 4 light indicator right here, and it seems like it's a matte finish throughout, with the type C at the back, and yeah, the usual instruction stuff here, and SoundPeats. And this is actually has the rubbery grip, so it is a bit hard to push compared to the TrueAir 2, where I can just like pew pew pew. Well, this is the more rough type, so it is very good for grip. And with the IPX5, so it's actually quite good for exercising. It is as huge as the Soundcore Live Note. Yeah, it's almost the same, but it's slightly more taller, but in terms of height, it is slightly thinner. Another one, which is the game ports. As you can see, in terms of size, it's almost the same. It's just because of the AG side here, and the height is about the same. Yeah, it's about the same, but it has here, it seems like it has a better battery than this. One way to find out is for me to test. And as you can see, the battery indicator here is very interesting. Is instead of just a dot, they make some details of the 4 dots to be the battery, literally like the battery cell here, you can see. Yeah, it's an interesting touch to it. And is it a clicky type? Nope, capacitive type. And also if you can see, the earbud is also quite rubbery, so this is to ensure that it stays grip into your ear. And other than that, that's all I can show you for the unboxing. And time for the pairing phase. I catch you all later. Welcome back to the pairing phase. So I have tested this earbud for a couple of hours, and boy oh boy, the sound is phenomenal. This is probably one of the best earbuds I have tried so far. And yeah, it's just like the bass is not as bassy, but it's very satisfying. If you want to know what song I have listened to that I really love, was when I listened to the song called Echo by Nano. And that song blows my mind, man. Especially it has a balance of vocals, the acoustic guitar, and a bit of that box thingy. I don't know how to explain, but I will show you the picture. Yeah, so yeah, the dual drivers actually works. Usually I bought the cheap one that claims to have dual drivers, and it's not very satisfying. So this is really, I can see why it is $58. And yeah, from the fitting to the how it looks, how it feels, how the sounds like. This it just blows this thing off the park, man. Because in terms of vocal, it is a bit lacking because the bass is overpowering the vocals. So yeah, I still love the stem design. Is slightly more comfortable, but if you're going for a workout, I feel this thing will you just shove it into your ear and then it will just stays there, and possibly while you do your jogging and stuff, you just need to adjust a bit here and there. But during my hit banging session, while listening to some of the songs, the earbud is not budging at all, which is a good sign on how solid it is. For long-term usage, I'm not too sure whether I would like it, but for the short term, this is excellent. Easily I can say is worth the money. And it is also, I just noticed that it is not just 3020 QCC, it is AptX Plus. And AptX Plus, it is actually quite good, because if you remember the result that I tried during the How Fast series, that the GT1 Plus was able to beat the competition and hit that top 3, put in the top 3 spot with a very excellent result. It is due to the fact that it is AptX Plus, not just the normal app, not just a regular AptX like this. Because if you connect AptX Plus, the left and right is connected to your phone individually, compared to just AptX where both of them are connected together. So I have a very good hopes of this hitting the top 3. While SoundPeats, yeah, it's okay, I guess. But I mean, like, if you're just looking for a song that is just a lot of bass, not really about vocals, something there's not much vocals, yeah, this is actually quite a good buy. But in my opinion, the SoundPeats TruEngine 3, the dual driver really makes it like wow. Anyway, before I start fangirling again, I forgot to tell you what is the controls. Well, the control is exactly the same as the SoundPeats TrueAir 2, which is one tap volume up and down, double tap to play and pause, and triple tap for Google Assistant or whoever is your assistant. And then lastly, press and hold on the left and right to move to the previous and the next song. So with all of that, I would want to say, if you have the money, if you're willing to top up a bit more for this, and if you don't mind without the stem design, yeah, sure, by all means, man, pay the $58 or $69. Maybe, yeah, maybe it will be cheaper, who knows. And yeah, if you still prefer the stem type, yeah, sure, this is actually not too bad, but I still prefer something more thinner like the Soundto, or something more cheap like the Basus W07 Pro, because they are slightly cheaper compared to the SoundPeats. I mean, like, if you can get it on sale, yeah, it is actually quite good. It feels premium, and also just the sound wise, I still prefer, if I expect more for the price. But for this, I don't think there's any competition to it, because the soundstage actually is quite good. I was literally just blown away by the sound, where it is replicate from the left to the right and all around the beat lah, basically. So now that all that said and done, in the next episode we will have the battle on how fast between the SoundPeats TruEngine 3SE and the SoundPeats TrueAir 2. If you like this video, do like this video, and also you might want to share to your friends. And if you want to know what is the latency result and so on, do hit the subscribe button and ding the notification. And this is Nash, and I'll catch you all next time. See ya.